Hello. So, hey guys. Today is 222 Tuesday recap. A little bit upset, I started the day at one point of the day. This whole thing was all green. It was up to 194, I believe it was, and that was when I first took this short here, and then I averaged into it, and then I sold right into it. This is where I started messing up. I overtraded. I shorted again here at 95, and then at that time the trade wasn't there. I know I was a little distracted, and I started giving back everything over here. And then I overtraded again up here, sold it, average into it, then cover for loss. Then we have Macy's was a really good trade for me at 1.2. I got it the exact time. Up here, I sold it. No, that was Macy's. Okay. Marathon Oil it spiked right into the open, and that move is so dictionary, and it's like every trader knows when before anything sinks it pre-market they spike it too. So I didn't get into it because I was still in Macy's. Got in quick for a quick trade here at 99, 21.99, and sold to 95 for a quick $20 win. 4 cents, not much. And then open, my first trade on open was actually red. Where is it here? Open, my first trade here. I shorted first time at 79 and cover for a loss at 83, and then I reshorted on top of the spike. That was the best you can ask for. Look at that, 1103, and the top was 04, and I covered it on that. It looks like it was curving to go back up, so I covered it for a second trade, and I made the 25 back, 20 back plus 5. And SOFI, I think I only had one trade in SOFI. I bought it down here on this curve. It hit a triple bottom. On that triple bottom, it had to spike. I mean, it had to give you something on that bottom, because it was respecting the market respect. The double bottom here spiked up. I knew it wasn't gonna spike because it didn't break the high of day on the second spike, on the second and the third spike. So I didn't expect it. I was just catching a bounce at this point. So I caught the bounce, got out early, perfect, just for a 2-cent win. And then Macy's, man, I gave all the profit. I got this on the spike, on the flush, and I gave it back when the high goes picked up. It was just over trading, 24 trades. That's insane. So I'm gonna limit myself to tomorrow 6 trades a day for the rest of the week. Red or green, 6 trades or less. It's gonna be tough because it's gonna be tough. So, but I have to respect my rules and follow them if I want to make it permanent. So this is what's gonna happen with this one. I'm gonna stop trading for the rest of the day and get back on the drawing board. I was trading smarter, but I did overtrade. If I had stopped trading when I actually needed to, this would actually be on the opposite side, 200. I'll show you The replay, replay here. So we started, put the volume down. We have, this is still in the, okay, so this is the first open trade was negative. Then I was looking at Macy's, and right here, still looking at open, and I was being patient, very patient all day. The first trade I took on Marathon Oil, got it back. That's the, so right now we're at even, 20 in, 20 out, 20 red, 20 green. We're at even up here, and it was just 4 trades. And then I started, I'm gonna show you where I started over trading. It was crazy. Then I took another trade in open and flipped it green. That's up here. Took that short. That's the one that I should have held really when on that curve. That's forming a cup handle, and I was short. I didn't want to be in that trade because I was long bias on the trade anyway. So on this stock for the day, so I didn't want to be in it long when it was spiking. But at that point, it started flushing, and there we go. So this is the marathon trade. The really good trade was the Macy's trade. That's the one I'm looking for. So we're still doing good at this time, and it was 10:58 an hour later. And we took the Macy's trade. Got a nice, really nice trade. Average, got half out down here. And I bought 500 more up here, and then took half out down here, held it for a cut even trade, and it came a flush, and then that flush I just averaged out the whole time. Look at that, 171. And so at one point, this was my max of the day. I was 157 on Macy's, 192, and then I started, this is when my trading should have stopped. 14 trades, and it wasn't 14 in and out. It wasn't 7 in, 7 out. It was 4 in, 5 in, and 9 out. So I was doing good. It's and this is at this base here. This is where I'll go picked it up. And this is when I was looking for that rest of the real flush at the break of day, like it's doing right now. This flush is it's flushing, right? It's going to flush because the whole market. Look at the market. SPY is crazy right now, and so yeah, here we go, and started over trading here, and this is when started over trading, and look at that, Macy's. This is me. I shorted down here, spiked up, got out over here at the high of the low of the double bottom. Of course, it kept spiking. And this is when, now I already took 3 trades. Look at that. Just stupid. This is, and then I just gave it all back. And even when I was at 90. Thank you guys so much for watching today. As always, make sure you trade at your own risk. Make sure that you are willing to lose what you trade. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.